way, and then strike them to the opposite side of where you're feinting to. So if you feint here, you can come here up top, you can feint there, and you can go to the body, and then keep that head movement, and you can step around, step back, and then walk them down. What's up, family? Coach Bradley here. I'm gonna give you guys a little insight. You fighters, staying on point, make sure you eating your meat in portions. So we're gonna go 4 ounces. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the porterhouses, the most lean steaks. It's gonna be key that you stay on point and don't overdo your intake. Or on fight camp, you won't make weight. Let's see what it looks like. Go to the butcher, get the good stuff. And you're gonna only eat 4 ounces of this now, and save the rest for for at least 3 hours later or the next day for a snack. This is how you do it.
Yeah.
All right, so just make sure that you guys leave in the comment box below if you have like an allergy or you don't do steak. If you're someone that really stays away from red meat, let us know. We'll kind of do something for you specifically with chicken, turkey. That's what it is, man. Until next time, Coach Bradley signing out. Be blessed at Godspeed. School of Boxing. Peace. I'm a sucker for a great steak. This is food for fighters. Peace.